Good morning, teacher. Good morning, my friends. My name is Grabando. I am going to talk about my project. A team automatic calculator to calculate the cards. Objectives. General objective. Create a calculator to the automatic calculation of the cards using a laptop. So that is a product available to everyone to improve my knowledge and help thoughts in the accounting and auditing career. Specific objectives: obtain research on computer and electronic systems, and especially accounting knowledge for the creation of the CARDEX calculators. Introduction. The CARDEX is a register of merchantship within an establishment in an organized manner. Of course, in order to do so, we need to keep an inventory of the content of the merchantship in the company. Justification. The CARDEX is a merchantship registered will help the accountant to obtain control the merchantship that enters and leaves the entity or company. CARDEX signs it will be a good tool that helps in the work of accountant and will help to know exactly the product of the company. Theoretical framing works. What is CARDEX? CARDEX is an organized record of the incoming and outgoing movement a good or product will make up the inventory of the warehouse. What is the purpose of the CARDEX? The objectives of the CARDEX is therefore to have an exact balance at that both physical and in monetary value of each product and as a result of the inventory of a warehouse. Resource: laptop, camera, and microphone. Conclusion: they conclude the creation of my project will allow to improve it in the calculation of the merchandise of the companies. I will to improve it in the calculation of the mercantile of the computation. I will help professionals, I will accountant in their works because this CARDEX calculator with facility they work. It what many benefits because the calculator will be very manual to be easily transported and will help to have an internal control of the merchantry the company to avoid theft or fraud with existed in the tax. Thanks for your attention.